Yeah. Welcome to Peak Speed Lab 164, where gravity and mass meet friction and the ramp decides the results and eventually who will win. Wow, very rare do I get through that intro without stumbling. So what do we have on the docket for today? We have the Maserati Shamal. That is, see if we can get that in a good kind of a looking picture. From the factory fresh set. This is number 2 of 5 from the set. Kind of get a little bit of a, oh, that's going to be all backwards. Well, I'm going to read it. It is highly detailed, cutting edge designs. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. That's the description of the factory fresh. So again, this is number 205. Although the interesting that like on some of these other sets, they'll show pictures and even the names of the cars in the sets. This one doesn't have that information. So this is what we got. We're going to be doing the measurements with today and running the testings tonight. But as always, unboxing. Okay, this is Strick. Time for the unboxing of the Maserati Shamal. Another little bit of a close-up. Blister pack time. Okay, that's coming off easy. That come off easy. And you know it don't come easy. Okay. All right. Sorry, the tune just went through my head. So let's see what we are dealing with, as usual, with the close-up view. Wow, kind of like that color. Do the all sides view. Well, those tires look pretty solid, don't they? Got the rear. And keep some of that shadow out of there. See the little Maserati symbol there. Dual exhaust on both sides. See what this top looks like. A little sparkle in that blue. And, oh, yeah, check that out. I'm looking at the hood there. The shape, those little vents. We've got a blue bottom. Another one made in Malaysia. That feels like and sounds like plastic, as do the wheels. See if we can, I don't know if we'll be able to really see inside too much. I can't really see inside too well. Try to give you a little bit of an angle in there. Okay. Well, whoa, nothing. Look at that. I'm all, oh, and there we got, yeah, I'm all over the place, aren't I? Okay. What can I tell you? It's 10:30 at night right now. So I'm doing this because I want to get this video done because I was kind of thinking about this car today. So time to measure and enter its info in the database before we get to the 20 warm-up laps and the 10 official runs. So we'll be back in a jiff. Okay, she's all loaded up in the database and on the track for the usual 20-lap warm-up. We'll see if, once again, the first run is the fastest. That's what it's been for the first 13. This is number 14. The Maserati. Wow, okay, let's see what you did. 1.680. Okay, and this is another one in the C class. So that's what we've got the most of. All right, we're going to see how the rest of these 20 go. So just finish up the 20 warm-ups. Fastest, first run, 1.68 seconds. These are the slowest how they evolved. So started out at 1.773, went up to 1.777, but that's a pretty tight, looking like a pretty good, consistent result. So here we go with the first run of 10 official laps. and we will see if she can keep it consistent. All right, we are on run 10. I realize one of the laps, I missed the record button, but it's fast motion, you can't really tell, but I did get the result. So that's why you may have seen something a little funny in there. But we did do 10 laps, and I've got the numbers for all of those. But lap 10 of the official. All right, let's get these entered in the database. Figure out where she's at. Welcome back to Peak Speed Lab 164. Gravity and mass met friction once again. The rep decided the result. We have an average of the 10 laps of 1.7684. I'm going to adjust this just a tad. Yeah, what can I say? I'm still new. I'm still learning. I'm new and learning. All right, so of the 20 laps, of the 20 warm-up laps, fastest was 1.680, and then the slowest was 1.777, as I showed a minute ago. Yeah, I mean, not that much of a variance. I mean, it ran pretty tight, and it seemed pretty quick too. So this is car number, I think, 14. 14. And yeah, so we're going to do the usual. We got to show respect to the vehicles and also to the individuals who designed and crafted these cars. Okay, so I know they are toys. They're considered toys to a lot of folks, but they're also considered collectibles. But there are designers that who actually designed all of these vehicles. So I always like to give the cars their little moment of glory on the pedestal. So we'll see you right there. You can't see it, but I'm pointing to it. Hopefully you'll be there. Yes, I've got Band-Aids. I had a little bit of a couple of accidents, but we're good now. All right, we're back.